Still, keep it down. Keep land. Got it. Here.
Part 3. The saga continues. 4. In the last episode, we left Mike Ruffin fighting the Marlin, and we'll pick right up where we left off.
Chingón hasta el agua aquí, ¿no? Chingón hasta el agua. De hecho, talibán.
Talibán.
Fish is running again, yeah.
¿Sí te dice?
Alright. Check it out.
I think this guy have it.
You getting that, Dad?
Yeah. And it'll say red in the receipt.
Yeah,
say receipt.
I got you now. And we're good.
Going again. Woo-wee.
It's not fight like Sierra, right? 6.
There's the leader. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Sobre. Oh, listo. Okay, good now. Okay.
Yo, look at him.
Okay, come on.
My hook up?
Okay, behind me. Behind them, in the middle, okay?
Adam, get.
Take t-shirts. Okay, in the middle. Take the belly. Heavy, man. Heavy fish, huh?
Good job.
Hey!